Father's Day, the hard parts. Easy English for language learners. Welcome to My Canadian English. If you're new here, I'm Shona Nichols. I make short videos to help language learners practice English. Today we're going to be talking about Father's Day. Now I've talked about it before, but not like this. First, a question. What is Father's Day? So last year I did this video, and if you want, you can go watch it now, and it'll show you some of the ways that people choose to celebrate Father's Day in Canada. Father's Day happens every year, so it's coming again. This year, Father's Day is on Sunday, June 19th. Well, at least in Canada, it turns out that Father's Day is celebrated on different days depending on what country you're in. Here's a calendar for June. Can you find Father's Day? It's the third Sunday in June. There we go. June 19th. Well, in Canada. If you celebrate Father's Day, I want to say Happy Father's Day. Father's Day can also be a hard day. Let me share from my life, and then you'll see. This is my dad, Darl, and me as a baby. And this is my dad and me when I was a young adult. And this is my dad with my children, Alexander and Zoe. And then this is my dad near the end of his life. So my dad died a few years ago from cancer. And so on Father's Day, I actually feel very sad because I miss my dad. How does Father's Day make you feel? Happy? Sad? Mad? Or maybe something else? Father's Day can be hard. This is a graphic that I found on the internet, and I thought, wow, they really capture some different situations. So I want to talk about them today. So one thing, usually I choose pictures that go with my words, but it was really hard to find pictures that described these words. So I just chose pictures of fathers and kids. Those who've lost their dad, like me. Dads who've lost their child or children. Stepdads. Those physically apart. Those who don't know their dad. Single dads. Father figures. Those who foster or adopt. Dads struggling mentally. Dads doing their best. Dads physically unwell. Anyone needing love today. If Father's Day is hard for you for any reason, I want you to know that I'm thinking of you today. If you'd like to learn more about this topic, here are some resources. Thanks for learning with me. We'll see you next time. If you're an instructor, watch this video to get some ideas about how to use my videos with your students. As always, subscribe on YouTube because it makes me happy.